Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process how to take a screenshot on ASUS VivoBook. Okay, so our first method to taking a screenshot on ASUS VivoBook, you can at the same time you can click Window plus Print Screen keyboard. Okay, key like Window and Print Screen PRTSC. You can see on your keyboard. Click on both the button at the same time. Like I have clicked now, a screenshot is taken. And now check how to check our screenshot is taken. Go to File Explorer and then go to Picture. And here you can see that screenshot files. Click on this, and you can see like I have recently clicked on the screenshot this. Right here you can see I have just taken the screenshot. This is the first way to take a screenshot. Okay, so second method is go to here search bar and search here spin snipping tool. Like here you can click on this, and after opening the screening tool you can click on new screenshot. Like you can go to another, like you can click on new, and here if you want to click on, like here three option is showing only window, full screen, or freedom. Like I have to click on window full screen. Like click on this, your screenshot is taken. Okay, like here you can see your screenshot is taken. Now you can see your screen is saved and print your screenshot. Okay, okay guys, this is the two step way to you can click the, you can take in your screenshot. Okay, thanks guys, having a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.